Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do November mid-month reading for the sign Virgo, H sign. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Virgo, your recent past, death, Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Excuse me. One person in this connection, I think you person could be undergoing some transformation. You or you person could be Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, at sign also. I think the one person who giving a lot in this connection is you, Virgo, because Queen of Pentacles is very sharing, giving and a caring person. Definitely you invest a lot in this connection. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely you invest a lot in this connection. You always give. So let's see what is going on your connection now. Energy could be vice versa. Judgment, Two of Swords, Chariot. You or your person could be Cancer also. Yeah, Judgment and Chariot. So one person, I think your person may be at some crossroads right now. It could be you or your person, but one person at some crossroads, they have to make some decision. Yeah, Judgment with the Two of Swords. Definitely they have to make some decision. And Chariot. Yeah. So you invest in this connection, but there is no equal give and take, because your person at crossroads, they are not committed to you. For some your person may be at some crossroad due to the career, whatever, but Chariot, there is some movement also. So let's see some more, then we will get more clarity. Two of Wands, King of Swords, the Devil. Yeah, I think your person may be obsessed with you, or you may be obsessed with your person, or you both obsessed with each other. One person thinking about the other person a lot. Two of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. And King of Swords, definitely one person is very straightforward and honest in this connection. I think it could be you, Virgo. Yeah, the Devil and I think your person may be addicted to some bad habits. You or your person could be Capricorn also. You want this connection to move forward, but your person not taking any decision right now. That's why there is some delay. It is very slow moving energy. Chariot also. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But they have to make decision because Judgment is here with Two of Swords. But they're thinking, but not taking any action. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings. Yeah, 2 times Devil. Strength. Opposite Death. Yeah, 2 times Scorpio card. I think your person undergoing some transformation, Virgo. Yeah, definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening also. The Devil energy to Death. Definitely in past there is some negative energy. Devil energy is also sometimes obsession is also create deception in the connection. Definitely after the transformation, your person like this, their feelings towards you, definitely they want to come towards you, but after the transformation, strength, after they gain their power back, definitely they want to come towards you. Right now they are undergoing some spiritual awakening, their feelings. Yeah, or for some they're thinking like you are obsessed with them, the Devil energy, that creates some deception, but you are very powerful. They're thinking that you are very, very powerful. You stand by your power. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. King of Swords 2 times, Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Your person want to give clarity. King of Swords 2 times here. I think it's your person. Definitely they want to give clarity to you this time. Some communication. They want to communicate you. Their actions in near future actions. Definitely they want to communicate you. And Nine of Pentacles. I think they want to stand by their power. Emotional, independent. No more dependent on you either emotionally or financially, because Nine of Pentacles means independent, and Queen of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions for you. Virgo, your person has strong emotions. Yeah, you get clarity from your person, and definitely will expect some communication from your person, and because King of Swords is communication, truth coming out. Yeah. But your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, or you both could be. So let's see where this connection is headed in your future from the universe. Six of Pentacles, Justice. The Hierophant, Queen of Wands. Yeah, definitely you both want second chance with each other. In past, one person invest more. I think it could be you invest more in this connection. There is no equal give and take, but now your person want equal give and take in this connection and want to offer equal give and take. That's why Justice with Six of Pentacles, definitely it is coming equal give and take. So what you are wishing for, definitely it is coming, Libra, because the Hierophant, commitment, and Queen of Wands. Definitely you stand by your power. You are very, very passionate about what you want, and they are also passionate about you. Yeah, commitment is coming. What you are wishing for, definitely that is coming, Virgo. Yeah, because Justice, your person could be Libra also. They want second chance, and they want to offer equal give and take this time. Yeah, commitment also. In past it is not there, but now they want to offer because they have strong emotions for your Queen of Cups and some communication. Yeah, they will express their feelings this time to you, because Queen of Swords means giving clarity, truth coming out. They want to express their true feelings this time. Yeah, that they want second chance and offer. Definitely there is a those who are in separation, definitely there is a growth in this connection. Those who are not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. So take what resonate, leave the rest. So your overall energy for the week, Virgo, 10 of Swords, 9 of Wands, the Emperor. Yeah, Page of Cups. Yeah, you are guarded up because you invest a lot in this connection. You like this in the starting week, but there is some rebirth also. 10 of Swords means cycles ending, and some new cycles are going to be begin. You are guarded. Definitely you are guarded up from your person, and you stand by your power. But your person is coming back. Yeah. You also want some new beginning with your person if they offer equal give and take. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Cups, Princess of Pentacles, Empress. Wow. Yeah. It's definitely communication, Pentacles. And yeah, they know what to do, what not to do, because Princess of Pentacles means they got clarity, and Ace of Cups, definitely they love you so much, and their love for you is overflowing here. Definitely they want second chance with you. Six of Wands, yeah, success. They want success with you. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So yeah, your person is coming back with offer and with clarity. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much.